A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we will continue our topic coal and petroleum, where we discussed formation of coal, formation of petroleum, uses of coal and petroleum. Now our today's topic is refining of petroleum. As we know that we get this petroleum from dead living organisms living in the sea, but we get it in a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, etc. We get this petroleum as a mixture of these constituents also, that is petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, etc. Now we need to refine this petroleum from these constituents. We need to separate these petroleum from these constituents. The process of separating the different means these constituents, the process of separating the above constituents from the petrol is called refining of petroleum. Refining of petroleum. So, dear students, the process of separating the constituents of petroleum like petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, etc. is called refining of petroleum. This is carried out in petroleum refinery. That is a factory where petroleum is separating from these constituents, or where refining of petroleum is done. Now we will read exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. First is exhaustible. These are the resources which are limited in nature. That is, these can be these are limited in nature. That is, they can be exhausted by human activities. Example are forests, wildlife, coal and petroleum, etc. So, those resources which are limited in nature, which can be exhausted by human activities, these are called exhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources are those which are not limited in nature, which are not exhausted by human activities. Example is sunlight, air, यानी कि वो चीज़ें जो ख़त्म नहीं होते हैं, जो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ इंसान की हरकतों की, इंसान के यूज़ करने की वजह से ख़त्म नहीं होते, जैसे सनलाइट, आफ्ताब की रोशनी है, एयर है, एटमॉस्फेयर हैं, या और कोई बहुत सारी एग्जांपल्स हैं इसकी. सो दीज आर exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. This was refining of petroleum. This was our topic for today. Now we will do the textual questions after that, inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.